Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your Mac and phone are updated, and you have a data plan. Plug the phone into the Mac with a good USB cable. This establishes a physical link that Mac OS can detect. On the phone, enable USB tethering or personal hotspot so the device advertises a network interface. Once done, unlock the phone and approve any trust prompts. This authorizes data exchange. Make sure the phone's mobile data is active because the tethered connection routes through it. Next, you configure Mac OS to use the new interface. Open System Settings or System Preferences and go to Network. You should see a new USB or iPhone USB adapter appear automatically. Select it and confirm IP4 is set to DHCP so the Mac receives an IP address from the phone. If needed, drag the USB interface higher in service order to prioritize it. Apply changes, then test connectivity by loading a web page or running a quick ping to confirm DNS and route. To finish, validate that page's load and that your Mac's default route points to the USB interface. This confirms traffic is flowing. If it doesn't work right away, disconnect and reconnect the cable, toggle the personal hotspot or USB tethering off and restart the Mac's network service. This often clears stale states. If problems persist, check for carrier blocks or reset network settings on the phone, because sometimes the device needs its tethering stack refreshed to re-advertise a proper interface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.